Hello, thanks for joining us today. Today we want to look at a rifle that was sent to us by our friends at Troy Industries. They have gone through great efforts to reproduce a very classic XM177E2 commando carbine. This gun was built off of specifications created by the military in 1967, and they've done a fantastic job at recreating that gun. It is the exact copy of that rifle. The rifle is a period correct piece and unique and interesting. Being a history nerd myself, I was intrigued by the project. One very specific thing I'd like to mention about this is that Troy is taking the proceeds from sale of this rifle and donated it to the Special Operations and Special Forces Association, two very well-known charitable organizations. And that says a lot. That says a lot. This is more than just Troy bringing a new rifle to market and having everybody ooh and ah over it. It's a fantastic commemorative piece that is a sincere throwback to what operators, Special Forces carried at the time. Like many people, I cut my teeth on iron sights on an M16, so taking this gun to the range is not a far stretch for me by any account. I have iron sights backups on all my rifles, but running basic iron sights like this is very comfortable, very rewarding. We had a great time on the range with the gun. I found it to be very light shooting, very smooth, very light recoil. The gun itself is light, just over 6 pounds. And even though it was designed and created in the Vietnam era, I found the gun to still be as effective today as it would have been back then. It is an interesting thought that this is what Special Operations was carrying what seems like a lifetime ago, and for many it was a lifetime ago. But the gun is reliable in as much as we ran it on the range. As I said, very enjoyable to shoot, very small push, lightweight, accurate. Accurate as an iron sight gun like this could be. Is it a 1 minute Evangel gun? No, and they're not designed for that. For many people, this would be a collector piece, and that in and of itself caught my eye. I'm a history nerd, so the gun really was intriguing to me. So without further ado, let's get out to the range and take a closer look. I'd say she's zeroed. So there you have it. Just a short little look at the gun on the range. If you get the opportunity to get behind the trigger on this gun, I encourage you to. More importantly, I'd encourage you to maybe grab one. The gun, as I said, period correct, enjoyable to shoot, and make a fantastic addition to any collection. Once again, a big shout out to Troy for their connection and willingness to do charitable work with the gun. So the XM177E2 is definitely worth a look. So until I see you on the range or in class, stay safe, stay in the fight.